A Dodge Charger truck? Wow. Never seen a Dodge Charger truck before. Alright guys, maybe I'll upload this video. So if you're watching this, I uploaded it. And that was a Dodge Charger truck. Not seen one of those ever. I'm sure that was custom. Very interesting. Did you guys like that? Was that one cool? A Dodge Charger truck? Comment below. Let me know if you guys think that was cool or not. I don't think I need one, but it's pretty neat. Something different, right? You guys enjoying this road? I love this road. It's so pretty. What is this man putting up? Oh, is he cutting trees, or what is this man doing? What's he putting up here? Interesting. Thought this man was putting up like a vlog camera or something to see how fast I'm going. It's Carly Boogies. Man, what a beautiful car. This Audi 8Y RS3. I never really saw myself buying an Audi. I was more into Japanese cars, really. But I think cars are special individuals. They're not all the same, even if they come from the same family. Obviously, a minivan is not a sports car, so even their sports cars, I think, are all unique. Obviously, they're all very unique, so I don't follow brands as much as I follow cars. And this one, I definitely think is special. Yeah, this thing is amazing. Love this car. Well, that was fun, y'all. Thanks for checking out the video. Drop a like, sub if you haven't. There'll be more to come. Hope you guys enjoyed this stuff. Comment, let me know what you think. Alright guys, have a blessed day. Peace out.